What's going on, guys? As you may have guessed, we're gonna work on the rear end now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace the old shocks, springs, and shock mounts. Not gonna do the bushings just yet. Yeah, we'll do them soon, but not right now. This project is just for the shocks and the mounts and the springs. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I'm gonna do here because there isn't a good spot to place this camera right now. But see, what I'm looking at is this top shock mount on the passenger side. So I just peeled back the carpet and it's located right underneath. It's held in place by two nuts. So I'm gonna remove those and the whole assembly should fall out the bottom. Okay, I just wanted to stop right there for a second to explain how we're gonna remove the spring. So if you look at this, you know, the spring isn't really held by anything here. It's just sitting on the trailing arm, and you know, it's hitting the spring mount, if you will, on the body. So in order for us to get the spring out, we're gonna have to lower this trailing arm some more, and the way we can do that is by undoing this nut on the back of a sway bar link. I imagine this thing is gonna be pretty much stuck. It's right here. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm now ready to put together my rear end, and for now I'm not going to do my subframe bushings or the diff mount, but I am just going to change my shocks, my shock mount, my sway bar links, as well as the springs. I'm going with the H&R and the Coney setup, as I said before. Okay, so let's get on with it. Alright, so the job is complete. I replaced the shocks and struts, springs and front control arm bushings, and I went around the whole car and I torqued down all the nuts and bolts. So this car should be all set. Of course, I'm going to take it in for an alignment at Definitive Motorwork. That's the only place I take my cars now. Anyway, if you have any questions, as always, just ask in the comments and I'll be sure to respond to them. See you next time.